Imagine you're extremely wealthy and you have all your dreams come true. You have a dream house, you have a dream car, you have a dream life. You have everything you can think of. And you're on the beach, celebrating life, and life is good. Except you have arthritis, and you have extreme knee joint pain, and it hurts so bad you can't step on it. And all you want to do is get rid of that pain. This channel is about how to make better choices in order to improve your health. I will share with you what tools to use to detoxify your system and through that gain better health. Raw vegan lifestyle can be very exciting. It's not what people think it is. When I say I'm raw vegan, people think I eat only lettuce, but that's not true. You can have a raw vegan pizza, raw vegan pasta, raw vegan burger, raw vegan lasagna. Anything that you can think of, you can make in raw vegan version. This and more I will share with you on my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. And hit the bell so you can be notified when a new video comes out. Let me know what information you'd like to learn and what recipes you'd like to see. Let's explore the journey to infinite health together.